If you may need a rental car at the San Francisco airport, you don't need to take a shuttle to the rental car facilities. The AirTrain at the airport will take you directly there. Terminal A and Terminal G are basically both ends of the same building. You may be able to catch up with a faster train without going through Terminal 1 and Terminal 3 if you walked from A to G. The train station will just be one level up from the departure level. And you need to hop onto the AirTrain Blue Line. The train ride is going to take about 15 minutes, it depends on where you start. If I need to rent a car from the airport, I usually do Avis Preferred. It is not a sponsor. It's just that it required you to set up your credit card on the account or prepaid ahead of time so that the car will be ready when you land without having you to go to the counter. By the way, there's a cafe and there are restrooms in this building, so if you were in a hurry, there's no need to worry about finding a restroom in a terminal because they're usually very far away. You may notice people who do Preferred, they're rushing towards the elevator by the end of the hallway. It is because car pickup is usually located downstairs, down to one level, so they're trying to get in line for the elevator. If I don't have a lot of luggage, I think the stairs is much faster. I chose the Avis Mystery package for a cheaper price. I ended up getting an electric vehicle. Some rental company require you to recharge the battery before returning. Avis is one of them. If you're not comfortable with that, you can always switch to a different car at the counter. The guy also told me that the maximum they would charge me on recharging the battery would be $35, but I'm not completely sure about that. You should double check. On this rental, I believe I got into a fraud situation when I returned the car. I'll tell you more about it later in this video. I know a lot of people are skipping these steps nowadays. I still suggest you to check the car for damage before you drive it off the lot, even if you have the damaged waiver. On return, you take the freeway exit right after SFO. You are going to see signs leading you back to the rental car facilities. Instead of going back to level 4 where you got dropped off by the train when you rent the car, you need to go back down to level 1 and walk to the other side of the platform. That is where the train is going towards the airport terminals. I returned my car a day early, and when I dropped off the car, they said they're going to email me the receipt.
Please hold, and one of the team will be with you shortly.
Yes, I returned my car last night, but I didn't get a receipt or confirmation.
But when did you drop it off? Which date?
I returned it on the same day, so...
Okay, I tell you one thing, sir. Just give us some time because that airport was really busy. So it might take, maybe by tonight, you will have the receipt, sir. I mean, that means that the car was checked in, but it doesn't show yet, sir. They have to, it might take up to 24 hours sometime to get a receipt. I can transfer you if you want me to customer service. They will tell you the same. I come from customer service, so I know.
I see.
Just wait a little bit. You will get it.
I will get. Okay. Thank you so much for your help. I picked up the car at 9 a.m. and I was supposed to return it the same time the following day. Because I had to leave early, I returned the car on the same day around 8 p.m. But the car wasn't marked as returned until 4 p.m. the next day. So they charged me for an extra day as penalty. The car could have been stolen or got damaged during the time that it wasn't marked as returned, and I might be liable for that. Customer service is going to go by the status on the system. So always get a printout of the receipt when you return the car. I hope you find this video helpful. See you next time.